Hi guys, English shorten 80 words per minute. Honorable Prime Minister speech. Topic Statue of Unity 31 October 2021 speech. Some Hindi words I translate in English. Okay, start. Welcome. Many best wishes to all the countrymen on National Unity Day. Today, the nation is paying its tribute to national hero Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who dedicated every moment of his life for one India, Supreme India. Sardar Patel is not just a historical figure but lives in the hearts of our countrymen. Today, our energetic friends who are moving forward with the message of unity across the country are symbol of seamless devotion towards the integrity of India. We can see this spirit in the national unity parade being held across the country and at the events being held at the Statue of Unity. Friends, India is not just a geographical unit but a nation full of ideals, concepts, liberal standards of civilization and culture. The land mass on which more than 130 crore Indians live is an integral part of our soul, dreams, and aspirations. The strong foundation of democracy which has developed in Indian society and traditions over hundreds of years has enriched the spirit of one India. But we also have to remember that every person sitting in the boat has to take care of the boat. If we remain united, only then will we will be able to move forward. Only then will the country be able to achieve its goals. Friends, Sardar Patel always wanted a strong, inclusive, sensitive, alert, humble, and developed India. He always put the interest of the country first. Under his inspiration, India is becoming fully capable of dealing with all kinds of challenges, both external and internal. In the last 7 years, the country has got rid of the decades old archaic laws and has given new heights to the ideals that cherish national unity, be it Jammu and Kashmir, Northeast, or any village in distinct Himalayas. Today, all are progressing on the path of development. The construction of modern infrastructure in the country is removing the geographical and cultural distance in the country. If the people of the country have to think 100 times before moving from one part to another, then how will it work when there will be easy of reaching every nook and corner of the country? Then the distance of hearts between people will also be bridged and the unity of the country will strengthen. Strengthening this spirit of one India, Supreme India A great Mahayagya of social, economic, and constitutional integration is happening in the country. Indians' capability and determination on every front, water, land, sky, space is unpredicted. India has embarked on a new mission of self reliance to safeguard its interest. And friends, at such times we must remember the words of Sardar Patel. He said, by common endeavor, we can raise the country to a new greatness, while a lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. Where the lack of unity brings new crisis, the collective effort of everyone takes the country to new heights. The efforts made by everyone in building a free India are going to be more relevant in this virtuous era of independence than they were then. This virtuous era of freedom is of unprecedented pace of development and achieving difficult goals. It is the building of new India according to the dreams of Sardar Patel. Stop.